How to calculate macros for cutting. See our full article linked below, and it can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. Coach's note. Firstly, ask yourself how serious you want to get in regard to body composition adjustment. It takes discipline and a level of trial and error. It is not for everyone. As a coach, we promote better relationships with food with a focus on pure water and nutrient density. Routines and habits that are sustainable are integral. Diets, cutting and counting macros we feel should be used as an education process rather than a regular behavior. It should be done with a level of self-discovery and mindfulness to how your body responds to certain food and calorie intake. It can be an enlightening process, and you will learn a lot about yourself if you calculate your macros. However, once you have learnt your numbers, portion sizes and food types that work for you, we suggest adapting that knowledge into a routine that works for you and is stress-free. For those who seek greater results or are on a weight, fat loss journey, then maybe this is for you. How to calculate macros for cutting. Eating food is a life pleasure. Unless you are competing or an athlete with a specialized focus, why distort your life and happiness by making insane sacrifices in diet that ultimately find yourself becoming unhappy, unhealthy, and ultimately someone who is quite painful to be around? No one wants to be this person. Your diet is about understanding your macros and how to best incorporate your favorite foods into a diet that allows you to live the life you want. Eat well, but more importantly, be happy. Here is how you do it. I have used a formula that utilizes pounds, but it can easily be converted to kilogram. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. This is a guide, and there are alternative variations to this protocol.
What are macros and what is cutting? Macros are protein, carbohydrates, and fats. They are what your body needs for energy, recovery, and day-to-day function, and each element has a certain calorie value. Protein and carbohydrate have 4 calories per gram. Fat has 9 calories per gram. Alcohol is the 4th macronutrient and has 7 calories per gram. Let's not focus on this though, smiley face. Cutting means losing body fat. How to calculate macros for cutting equals how much protein, carbohydrate, and fat do I need to get lean? From here, we suggest you click on the article link below, as we will go into greater detail on how to calculate these macros for each individual. Thank you for listening. Visit and subscribe to our Elements for Life YouTube channel for more content similar to this, or access it through our website blog.